Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring the bell. Hey, hello everybody. Last video I showed you how to hook your CB radio up to a portable power supply. Now I'm going to show you how to hook it up in your vehicle. It's very easy, and we're going to get to it right now, and then we're going to turn it on and see if there's anybody out there talking on it. So let's go in the van and check it out. Right now I'm going to try to get this mess untangled. Take me just a second. And the antenna, we're going to put the antenna up on top of the van. Now it has a nice long cord, and you shouldn't have any problems putting it up there. And also you can, let me see if it's in a knot here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, it's in a knot. So when you set it up on top of the van, you can just kind of put it around here anywhere you want. You know, just get it up here. And for now, we're just going to put it up on the dash for a test. Put it up on the dash. Now we have the microphone here. We'll lay that up there for now. Antenna wire, we're just going to lay it up on the dash for now. Now if you're going on a road trip or something, you know, you can tuck all this stuff away and, you know, put it out of the way where it's more convenient. And now, I showed you before, I hooked up a cigarette lighter adapter to it for my portable charger. Now it's going to go into the cigarette lighter in the car, and I have a little red light here that has an indicator on it to let me know when there's power. So I'm going to plug it in. Now in this particular van, you have to have the ignition on for it to get power. So we're going to turn that on. Okay, so now that we've got that done, I'm going to try to set that here where you can see it. And I can't tell, so I'm going to move the camera a little bit closer. So now in order to make this work, you just take the mic and you key the mic. You push the button in to talk, you let go of it to listen. So now let's turn the volume on, turn it on. Okay, you hear that noise? We don't want to hear that noise, so it's got a switch right here for noise. That helped. Okay, we'll put it right there. Now the other one is the squelch. You can turn the squelch up just a notch, and it'll take out the rest of that sound. The squelch right here. Now volume, you don't want to go up too much on the volume, because when people start talking, it's really going to be loud. You got the SWR calibration, that's your antenna calibration. We don't need to mess with that too much. It's doing okay. You got the mic gain here. I'm going to turn that up a little bit. It's okay. And the RF gain, I'm going to leave that all the way up. Mic check out here on channel 30. Who's out there? Come on.
Hey, channel 30, hear you loud and clear.
Okay, so there you hear it. Channel 30 working good. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring the bell.